Hi everyone, welcome back to G3. Today we're going to do some unboxing videos, and as you can see, I bought 1,180 yuan of all kinds of things on the web. We're not going to unbox all of them. Anyway, let's start with the phone case. So this is the thing. It's only 23 yuan, as you can see over here. It's from a company called TENJOO, and this is the picture of it. Okay, so let's unbox this box now. So that's a normal design, I think. What is this? Oh, it's nothing, just put it away. So this is the actual phone case. Put away first. Let's see, what is this thing? I think it's a screen protector, but I don't remember they said they have screen protectors. Yeah, not mentioned, but anyway, this thing looks pretty nice. But I bought another screen protector, so we'll put it away. And this thing is the accessories for the screen protector. Let's look at the cover, and pretty nice here, I think. This is my old case, and the color on the back is not pretty good. It's over there and over here. Yes. So let's try the new one on. I think it's pretty tight over here. It's hard to put on. The screen protector is pretty old and it's not very nice now, so let's just change it later. Wow, so I think that's much beautiful than the usual one I have. A new iPhone antenna design, much beautiful, and that's smoother than the old one. So a screen protector and a good looking phone case is about $3.35. I think that's a pretty cheap one. The buttons here are pretty good, so yes, especially the power button over here. You just need to tap, softly tap on it, and your screen will be locked. Every hole had been cut up singly. How good is that? Right, so a cover and a screen protector for only $3.35. So that's it. A very good price. Stay tuned for my next unboxing video. Goodbye.